This is lesson 3 of No Talking. First, let's look at the cover. Can you find the title? Title is the name of the book. The name of this book is No Talking. Now, can you find the author on the cover? The author is Andrew Clements. Now, let's look at the setting. Do you know what is setting? Setting is the time and place of the story. What is the setting of No Talking? Turn to page 1 of the book. Did you find it? The place is school. The time is November. It's okay if you didn't find it. Let's take a look. This is the first page of the book. Look at the arrow. That is where you can find the place. Laketon Elementary School. That's the name of that school. Elementary also means primary. And then you can see the time. Morning in the middle of November. Now, let's look at the characters. Do you know what are characters? Characters are the people in the book. In this book, there are many characters. Let's see if you can find them as you read the book. There is Dave Packer, the 5th grade student, Lindsay Burgess, also the 5th grade student, Mrs. Hyatt, the principal, Mrs. Marlowe, science teacher, Mrs. Eckers, music teacher, Mr. Burton, language arts teacher, Mrs. Henley, PE teacher. Just like you, they have different teacher for different subjects. After characters, let's look at problem. Do you notice when you read any type of book, there is always a problem? Problem is when the characters don't agree on something in the story. What do you think is the problem in No Talking? In this book, the boys and girls don't like each other, so they stand against each other, becoming boys versus girls. The girls think they are better than the boys. The boys think they are better than the girls. There is a mention of Gandhi in the first few chapters, mainly because of this person, they don't talk. Do you know who Gandhi is? Gandhi is a very important person in the Indian history. He was a non-violent activist who led the independence movement through a non-violent protest. In 1947, he freed India from the British rule. He was a non-violent person, meaning he believed in not using any weapons. In 1947, he made India a free country where the British people could not control the government anymore. Non-violent means not using any weapons like knife or gun. Independence here means freedom. In this book, there is a contest. Do you know what a contest is? Contest is like a competition. For example, in school you have swimming gala, summary. Let's do a short summary of the chapters we have read, chapter 1 to chapter 7. Two students of Laketon Elementary School need to present a report on India. The boy student, Dave Packer, keeps coughing, which makes Lindsay Burgess very angry. Dave is trying to not talk to see if it helps him think better. The girl student Lindsay Burgess gets angry and shouts at Dave, which makes him feel insulted. The boys and girls do not like each other. They decide to have a competition and see who cannot talk until Thursday. The two teams need to have a great teamwork to win, because when somebody talks, the team's points will go down. During lunch, the fifth grade students are usually so noisy that the principal calls them the unshushables. But now they are quiet, which worries everyone. Now, when you read the next few chapters, think about who you think will win, the boys or girls. Now, try to answer the questions in the Google form.